This screencast is going to show you all about the camera on the iPad. So here I am, and my iPad right now is locked, and I'm going to simply scroll from the bottom up so that I get the quick menu here. And you'll notice on the right hand side I have those couple of options again. I have the Apple TV remote. The next one I have is the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the camera, and automatically it brings me to the camera, and here's a picture of me in my mirror. In order to take a picture with my camera, I have two options. I can click the big circle on the screen there, and I can go ahead and touch that, and notice that it takes the picture. I also have the volume button in the top that I can just push one of those, sorry for my finger, and you can see that I took a picture there as well. To view those pictures, you see that there's a little icon there. I can just click on that icon, I can go back to the camera. Now, you can see right now that photo is highlighted. I want to take a video, so I scroll down, and now video is ready to go. Notice that that little circle that was white before now is red. So I can go ahead and click on that, watch the pause for a second. Now it starts recording. I always tell students to wait until the numbers start recording before you actually start recording. I'm finished, I can click that, and now my video goes into my photos as well. I have a slow motion, I have a time lapse. You'll notice on all of these, right above the record button, there's the camera with kind of like the recycling symbol. If I click on that, be careful, my face is going to show up in a second. It reverses the camera. Whoa, up close with me. Let's go back the other way. So that is always there for you. You also have a square, so it takes a square picture. Let me go back to photos for a second. Quick tip. Right now my iPad is in the horizontal view. Always, 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 no matter what you're doing when you take a picture, always have it in the horizontal view. If you take it in the vertical view, like this, what you're going to see when you're finished with the picture, if you post it anywhere, is you're going to see those black lines on both sides of the picture. So whenever somebody takes a video or a picture, and you see those black lines, they held it this way rather than this way. Okay, so be aware of that. What else did I want to tell you? Oh, so the other option that is now available is pan. And now that we say that, you have to hold your iPad vertically. When you're ready to take a pan picture, you press record and you follow the arrow on the line. And you want to get it as close to possible to take one of those 360 videos. Or images, sorry. So you can see if that's all I want to take, I can hit the done button. And now there, the great thing to do with that is to take a pan of your classroom in the beginning of the year so that the students can do it, can see it, and then you can post that somewhere so that students have that for later on. So there you have it, very simple. The camera in iOS 11.4.